Hello everyone, apa kabar? This is me again with Ayu. I'm really sorry that I did not upload video regularly because I have some things to do. Now, I'm here and I am happy to present you this video. Speak Indonesian Day 2. Before we begin, first, I strongly suggest you to review my previous video Speak Indonesian from Day 1 because we will use some vocabulary in that video for this lesson. Second one, I also suggest you to write down any new vocabulary so you can use them to build sentences. Okay, let's begin. This is an example of a simple sentence. Saya makan nasi. Saya makan nasi. Or I eat rice. The formula is SPO or SPO. Subject, predicate, and object. Although the object is not always used. Saya or I is the subject. Makan or eat is the predicate, which is the verb, and nasi is the object. Now we move to the second example. Ani makan nasi. Ani makan nasi. Here is Ani is a girl name. Makan is eat, and you know what is nasi, right? Is rice. As you can see, there is no conjugation for a different pronoun unlike in French or Russian, for example. So here is the word makan is the same for I, you, she, he, or even Ani. Okay, now we are going to ask, what does Ani eat? What is apa? See the sentence. Because we will answer nasi, so replace nasi with apa. So it becomes Ani makan apa? Ani makan apa? What does Ani eat? Yes, the answer is Ani makan nasi or Ani eats rice. Now, this time I want to ask, who eats rice? Who eats rice? So, replace Ani with siapa. Siapa. Because Ani will be the answer. Siapa is who. Siapa makan nasi? Siapa makan nasi? Who eat rice? The answer is Ani. Okay, now let's move to the exciting part. See that if we want to say things happen in the past, present, and future, there is no change in the words. Instead, add one more word after the subject in the sentence. So what is that word? It depends on the time. If it has happened in the past, we say sudah. That means have already. Or the action is completed. Ongoing is sedang. Well, actually for sedang is not only for present event, but if it is on process. So suppose it was going in the past, we use sedang. For example, my cat was sleeping when I came last night. So to say was sleeping, we use sedang. Okay? The word to express about what will happen is akan and belum. Akan means will. Belum means haven't yet. So you know the difference, right? Okay, now let's take a look at this example. Saya makan nasi. That's the basic sentence. Saya sudah makan nasi. I have eaten rice already. Saya sedang makan nasi. I am eating rice. Saya akan makan nasi. I will eat rice. Saya belum makan nasi. I haven't not eaten rice. Okay, now let's practice more. The basic sentence is Budi tidur. Budi is a boy name and tidur is sleep. How do you say Budi have slept already? That's right. Budi sudah tidur. And how do you say Budi is sleeping? That's right. Budi sedang tidur. And what about Budi will sleep? That's right. Budi akan tidur. And what about Budi haven't slept yet? That's right. Budi belum tidur. Now, new sentence. Ibu menulis buku. Ibu means mother. Menulis buku means writes a book. How do you say mother has written book? That's right. Ibu sudah menulis buku. What about mother is writing a book? Good. Ibu sedang menulis buku. What about mother will write the book? That's right. Ibu akan menulis buku. And last, how do you say mother hasn't written book yet? Good. Ibu belum menulis buku. So, you have learned about building sentence and practice with vocabulary. Let's combine all these skills. Please match the pictures on the left side with sentences provided on the right side. Now, I am asking you, saya sedang apa? Saya sedang apa? Or what am I doing? Okay, leave your answers on the comment below. That's all. I hope you enjoy the lesson. Thank you for watching and see you. Sampai jumpa lagi.